Now, you are already familiar with the new terms and concept. Now, I will make you understand about the famous personalities of the Russian Revolution. First is Lenin. Lenin was the leader of the Bolshevik party, which was formed in 1917, and it is because of him that when the Treaty of Brest-Litovsk was signed, that Russia was withdrawn from the First World War. He played a major role in actually bringing about a revolution in Russia and spreading communism. Nicholas II. Nicholas II was that emperor of Russia due to the policies of whom the Russian Revolution was precipitated. Kerensky. Kerensky was the leader of the Mensheviks, and he wanted to establish a parliamentary form of government in Russia. And you already know the Mensheviks were the people of those in minority. Then Leon Trotsky. Leon Trotsky headed the Petrograd Soviet, and finally he was assassinated by Stalin. Next, Rasputin. Rasputin was that unscrupulous monk who had a very big influence on the emperor and his family. Next, Friedrich Engels. Friedrich Engels, an author, a philosopher who wrote the Communist Manifesto. Next, Joseph Stalin. After the death of Lenin, it was Stalin who became the leader of the Communist Party or the Bolsheviks that they had, and he died in the year 1953. Again, Stalin had a big role to play in the Russian Revolution, about which you will know in the chapter itself. And now, since you are familiar with the new terms and also the personalities of the Russian Revolution, let me start with the chapter in the next clipping.